We found cars with batteries as dead as doornails and tested several jump starters trying to resuscitate them. In this video we'll review the top 3 best jump starter, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different best jump starter. By the end, you'll know exactly which best jump starter is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. Clore Jump Starter. The Clore Jump Starter is a powerful, reliable, and heavy-duty solution for anyone who needs consistent starting power in tough conditions. Delivering 1,700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps, this unit is built around a rugged 22Ah Clore Performer battery, designed specifically for high-output starting performance. Its 46-inch heavy-duty number 2 AWG cables and industrial-grade clamps ensure strong, secure connections even in extreme cold or demanding environments. A built-in voltmeter allows you to quickly check the onboard battery status, while the integrated automatic charger keeps the unit ready for action without overcharging concerns. The Clore Jump Starter also includes a 12V DC outlet, letting you power accessories, along with a DC input for convenient recharging. Whether you're dealing with multiple jump starts or harsh weather, this jump starter offers the durability and dependability needed for professional and everyday use. The robust design, long cable reach, and powerful output make it an excellent choice for trucks, cars, machinery, and fleet vehicles. Portable yet tough, it's a versatile tool that stands up to real-world challenges. Just note it's not available for sale in Catalina Island. Number 2. AVAPOW Jump Starter. The AVAPOW 8000A Jump Starter is an exceptionally powerful and dependable emergency tool designed for fast, effortless, and safe vehicle starting. With a real 8000A peak current, it can start a 12V vehicle in just 3 seconds, making it ideal for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, motorcycles, boats, and more, even in extreme temperatures from Alaska-level cold to Arizona-level heat. Built with premium ternary lithium cells and a durable ABS plus PC casing, it is engineered for long-lasting performance. Safety is clearly a priority, as it features smart built-in clamps, flame-retardant materials, and a sophisticated 12-layer BMS protection system that guards against reverse polarity, overcurrent, short circuits, and more, perfect for beginners who want stress-free, spark-free operation. The dual-layer copper teeth and force start button ensure strong cranking power, even on completely dead batteries. A standout feature is the large 4-inch smart display, giving real-time feedback on battery percentage, clamp connection status, charging progress, and error alerts, making operation intuitive and hassle-free. Beyond jump starting, it doubles as a fast power bank with 30 WPD dual fast charging, reaching full charge in just 1.5 hours, while also powering phones, air pumps, coolers, dash cams, and other accessories through its 18W USB-A and 12V/10A DC ports. The built-in 3-mode LED emergency light and included accessories make it a complete, ready-to-go roadside kit. Durable, portable, and easy to use, the AVAPOW 8000A Jump Starter is a reliable companion for emergencies and everyday readiness. Number 3. Wolfbox Jump Starter. The Wolfbox Megavolt 24 Jump Starter is a powerful and highly dependable emergency tool engineered for both everyday use and demanding roadside situations. Equipped with a robust 24,000 mAh battery and an impressive 4,000A peak current, it can jumpstart almost any 12V vehicle, including cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, motorcycles, and even larger engines up to 10L gas or diesel. Whether you're dealing with an unexpected breakdown or a weak battery in cold weather, this jump starter restores power quickly and confidently. The HD LCD display provides clear, real-time information on battery status, charging progress, and safety indicators, making operation simple and intuitive for any user. One of its standout features is the 65W USB-C quick charging, allowing the jump starter to fully recharge in just 1.3 hours while also powering laptops, tablets, phones, and other devices through its dual output ports. This makes it an excellent companion for travel, camping, and emergencies. The one-touch boost function ensures effortless starting even during low-voltage conditions, while the built-in LED flashlight with SOS, strobe, and high beam modes adds critical utility for nighttime roadside assistance. Designed to perform in extreme environments, it operates reliably from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and carries top-tier safety certifications including UL, FCC, CE, and CA65, along with an IP64 dust and water resistance rating. Durable, fast-charging, and packed with smart safety features, the Wolfbox Megavolt 24 is a powerful all-in-one jump starter that delivers reliability and confidence whenever you need it most. Thanks for watching the video.